If you'd like to see more of our videos, please subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMtrading. Today's March 9, 2020, and today is Monday morning. So looking at the major economic events of the day, nothing scheduled for today, but so many things are happening in the markets right now because of this unfortunate coronavirus. My heart goes out to all the people that are infected, obviously, and people affected by this horrible virus that is going around. Now, looking at the markets, it had its ripple effects. Now, the euro surged to 114. Okay, we're going to take a look at that in just a moment, and we watched the Dow continue to tumble on this coronavirus fears below 25,000. Okay, so we've shed over 5,000 points on the S&P 500, on the Dow Jones over the past 2 weeks. Now, looking at the commodities, gold gets closer to 1,700, but is very reluctant to break above it as it tumbles below it. Oil tumbles to $30 a barrel. And lastly, looking at the stocks, all sold off, continuing to trade with the index as well as it stood on Friday. But let's take a look at the markets and see what we can expect from today's trading. So I'm going to start here with a daily Euro USD, and you could see we surged from 107 from our low all the way up to 115-ish level. That's over an 800 pip move in less than 2 days. Okay, unbelievable move for the euro. Okay, those people that are affected by it, if you were long, then you did great. If you were short, which was more natural to be at this area, then we got really hurt. Now, if we look at a weekly chart, you can see we're at the top of that range right here at 115-ish level. We're just shedding some of that off right now. This may be a tremendous fade opportunity, which means that there will be at some point a correctional move, a counter correctional move to correct this massive spike that we've had over the last couple of days. Now, looking at the GBP USD, also here we're looking at a daily chart, but we're right there at resistance. 132 is resistance, not breaking out higher. So it would suffice it to say we may see that fade actually break faster than we know. Now, jumping into the commodities, we're looking at gold right now. Now, gold surged to 1,700 earlier today and then made an about face as it's looking like it's making a double top here. Okay, at this 1,700, reluctant to break above it and continue higher. Now, looking at oil, now this is the story. Look at that gap down and then sell off down to $30 a barrel. We're trading at 32 right now, so bouncing just a bit off of it right now. This may be a tremendous buying opportunity, okay, as people look to actually see this gap close. Now, looking at the Dow Jones, same story at 24,531, and we're at that low right now. So if this doesn't bounce off of here, we could see it further retrace, maybe even down to the 22,000 where we were last December of 2018. So something to consider if that does happen. Now, looking at some of the stocks, they followed suit last week with some of them treading water, okay, as the markets continued to sell off last week, but some of them treading water, as you can see, all green bars. So it'd be very interesting to see if we do hold that line today. But please be careful. Today is going to be a very volatile day, so make sure you have stop losses in place. It's really a scalper's heaven, so try not to continue with a swing trade, okay? Try to just put your profits really quickly as this market finds some sort of bottom, as this market finds some sort of relief from this massive pullback. So again, you got to be careful on today. There will be multiple opportunities, though, as you trade today. This is Razak. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.